Hello everyone. Hydrogen refueling station network is very limited in many developed countries including the USA, UK, Germany, so first find a nearest station and check its status if it is available. Most of hydrogen refueling station network operator has 24/7 helpline and a mobile application where you can check the latest status of the station. You would also need to make sure that you have authorization and access card to use for that station. After arriving at the filling station, park the car in the correct position. Make sure the filling door is on the side of dispenser nozzle as the hydrogen hose operates at extremely high pressure, more than 750 bar, and the length of the hose is not very long. The filling nozzle is heavy and may damage easily if fell on the ground. After parking the car in the correct position, set the parking brake and press the power button of your car to switch it off. Use of mobile phone and smoking is prohibited while refueling the hydrogen car, so the best option is to leave it inside the car. Hydrogen fuel require a small amount of ignition energy to ignite, and its flammability range is extremely wide. Check and confirm status of the dispenser. Usually yellow light on the dispenser panel shows the normal status. In case red light is on, it means the dispenser is currently unavailable due to some technical issues. Most of the hydrogen refueling station network operators have 24/7 helpline for any questions, so feel free to contact them if you are not sure about anything and need further help. Press the fuel door button from inside of your car. The fuel door usually relock automatically if you don't open it shortly after pressing the fuel door button. Open the car fuel tank cap and place it onto the holder. To start the refueling process, enter the fuel card into the payment terminal and seek authorization. Mostly hydrogen refueling station operators issue a fuel card to allow to use their station so that only authorized vehicles can refuel at the station. Hydrogen dispenser is usually fitted with two dispenser nozzles, 350 bar and 700 bar. Hydrogen cars normally use 700 bar dispenser nozzle, but you can check it in the car manual. Some cars can also use 350 bar nozzle. Attach the filling nozzle to the vehicle receptacle. Press the trigger to secure the nozzle. You would hear a click. Now you could check the nozzle is secure. The nozzle is fitted with an infrared system for communication to the car tank and checking the status, how much hydrogen can be filled, which would also depend on ambient temperature and pressure already available inside the car tank. After the nozzle is secured and system automatic checks, green light will be illuminated on the dispenser showing the car is ready to be refueled. Press the green button to start refueling automatically. Green light will start flashing once the refueling process has started. Before starting actual refueling, the system usually do a leak test and pressure hold-up test to ensure integrity of the filling system. You may hear some squeezy noise as the high-pressure hydrogen gas start passing through the hose and filling the car tank. When the green light stops flashing, this indicate the refueling process has completed. Second-generation Toyota Mirai full tank capacity is 5.65 kilograms of hydrogen. Red button can be used to stop refueling at any time. At the end of refueling, you will hear some noise of pressure vent, which is usually due to the filling hose depressurization after the filling is completed. To remove the 700 bar nozzle, press the release clip gently and detach the nozzle. Hydrogen gas is usually cooled to -40 degrees Celsius before dispenser. This is mainly to avoid the car tank reaching the design temperature during the filling process, as hydrogen releases heat as it expands inside the car tank. Sometimes the filling nozzle may freeze and get cold during the refueling process, so handle it gently. Make sure the nozzle is correctly returned to the holster and yellow light on the dispenser is illuminated. To complete the transaction, enter the fuel card into the payment system and follow the on-screen instructions. The whole refueling process is usually completed in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. Please do consider sharing this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up. To see future video contents like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want me to cover any specific topic in the future, please leave your note down below.